Okay, today we're going to be writing a linear equation from 2 points, but one thing we have to review first, okay? Remember, we're going to use, when we do a linear equation, we're going to do y equals mx plus b, okay? And I've got that up there.
Okay.
But when we have 2 points, we're going to find the slope, and you've already done this, so you have experience doing the slope, and you've been doing this. I think they've been reviewing it in your lessons just recently too. And so what we do is remember we have to pick an x1 and a y1 and an x2 and a y2.
Oh yeah,
okay?
I've been doing this in my
And so we just plug both of the y's in. And that was a terrible y that I just wrote. You can't even see it as a y. Okay. So then, since we picked those, we're going to do what on top?
Okay, we're going to do 2 minus 6 and 3 minus 1.
Yes. When we do that, 2 minus 6 is?
It'll be negative 3, -4
Negative 4, good. And then 3 minus 1?
is 2.
And make sure you reduce it.
Okay, so it's going to be negative 2. Yeah, negative 2
Just
over
negative-
1, so it'll just
yep.
be negative 2.
Very good. So that's our slope, okay? And so if we had to review how to do slope because we're going to use it. And we're actually going to find the equation of the line between those 2 points. And so what I've done is I've already got the points here. We just found the slope was negative 2. I've actually drawn the line. I've drawn those 2 points right here. So you can see that we actually have a line between there, and we're trying to find the equation. We always find the equation, that the easiest equation is y equals mx plus b, okay? And so that's fantastic. So now you've been doing this all along. You've had a point and a slope. Well, now you have 2 points and a slope, and you just have extra points. And so it doesn't matter which of these points you choose. I love positive numbers.
Me
So if
too.
I had to choose between 2 points, I would choose the ones that are all positive. If they're not all positive, I try to choose the one at least there's one positive and one not. But that's just my personal preference. It does not matter at all which point. So you get to pick, is it going to be 6-1 or are we going to do 3-2?
Let's do 3-2.
I think I said 6-1 instead of 1-6. Yeah, we'll do 3-2. Okay, so I'm gonna actually just mark it up, saying this is what we're gonna use. And so that we just come in here for this y equals mx plus b. I'll just enlarge it and bring it over here. Oh, not in the world. What happened? Oh. Anyway, we'll just rewrite it. We're going to just rewrite the y equals mx plus b. In the place of y, since we chose this one, what goes in the place of y?
2.
2. Okay. So we're going to do 2 equals, and the m?
And then negative 2
All right.
times 3
Yes.
plus b.
Plus b. So we just did our x and our y and our slope.
So then it'll be 2 equals negative 6 plus b.
Uh-huh.
And then you're going to go plus 6, which will be 8 equals b.
Okay. Are we done?
No.
Okay. We have to put this into the equation. We know our m and we know our b, right?
So you're going to go y equals 2.
Almost. Negative 2.
Oh, negative 2, I'm
Uh-huh.
sorry. X plus b.
Plus b, which is?
8.
8. Good job. There's our equation. All right. You've already been doing all these steps. We're just putting them all together now. Your textbook does a very good job of breaking things up and having you practice for a long time the small pieces, and then we build on it. And so you've been finding the slope for a long time. You've been finding the equation of a line with 1 point, and now you're not given the slope. Now you have to find the slope when we know 2 points, and then we get to pick any point we want.
Oh, okay.
So let's do another one. I've got 2 points here. We don't know the slope. They ask you to find the equation of this line given the 2 points without a slope. So now we have to find the slope.
So they don't give us m?
They don't give us m. You'll have to find it now.
Oh, boy.
So how do I find the slope?
You're going to, right? We're going to do, hold on, I gotta think. It's just like how we did the last time, right?
Very good.
So we're going to choose a box.
We're gonna use this equation right here,
Y, okay, so Y,
right? Does that make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay.
so then, oh, yeah, okay. So then we'll do 8 minus 2.
We're going to do the 2 y's. We'll subtract them. 8 minus 2. And since we picked 8 first, we got to pick the negative 3 first
so
on the bottom.
negative 3 minus 7. My brain kind of froze.
That's okay.
Negative 7.
Very good. All
And
right.
so then it'll be 8 minus 2 is 6 over negative, positive
'Cause these are
10.
actually, be careful. Those are going to become positive, and they'll have a negative.
Negative 10.
Not negative 10.
Wait. 4.
Very good.
So then it'll reduce to 2 3 over. Wait, not 3.
Mhm,
Yeah.
that's right.
Okay. Yeah. Over 2.
Very good. All right, now we're going to have a fraction, but that's not a problem. Which of these do you like? One of them, they each have a negative and each have a positive, so it's not going to matter. You can pick any one. You're going to get the same answer.
Do the last one.
The last one? Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to pick that one. We're going to do y equals mx plus b. What goes in place of y?
Okay. 8
Very good.
equals 3 over 2
Very good.
times negative 3
Very good.
plus b.
Okay, we're going to get our calculator if you'd like. And you have a fraction button if you don't like to use your fraction, or you can do it in your head. So we're going to do...
Oh, yeah, and then you can press it again, right?
Yeah, push the yellow, red, excuse me, orange. Yep.
So negative 9 over 2.
Yes, and if we would have done this without our calculator, the numerators would have multiplied to make negative 9, and the denominators would have canceled to make 2. And if sometimes it reduces and sometimes it doesn't. Okay? Negative 9 over 2 plus b. Right? Now how do we solve this?
We found a snake skin outside our.
Oh, now we are going to
We're adding here. So we're adding there. So how do I...
Oh, right.
So, but this is negative.
So we're going to add.
Yes. Add 9 over 2 to the other side. You can get a common denominator or you can do it on your calculator.
And then 7 over 2.
Let me make sure. We had 9. Yeah, 25 over 2.
Oh,
because
weird. How did I do that?
because you had a negative 9 over 2, but we're adding it.
Oh, right.
Okay. Oh, equals. This doesn't look really great because there are all these fractions, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if we get fractions.
So then we'll do y.
Yep. Y equals.
3 over 2.
Uh-huh.
X
Uh-huh.
plus 25 over 2.
Very good. It doesn't matter if we get fractions. We either find common denominators or we use a calculator, or it doesn't matter. Okay?
Okay.
Works the same. All right?
It's not that bad.
Yeah, not that bad. So we just find the slope. We're using our formula. Pick one of the points, plug it into there, and then find the equation.
Okay.
Okay?
Awesome.
All right.